Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to share to you the way how you can translate your paragraph on Apple Note from one language to another language. First, you just need to open the Apple Notes on your phone, and you just need to pick the notes documents that you want to translate. So I already have this project and these documents here, so now you just need to go edit, type into the edit one. My bad. Now you just need to go type into the paragraph, and then you just need to block everything that you want to translate here. And then you just need to take a look into the menu that pop up, go type into this arrows and go click translate. And now there will be a detected language that you use for the original paragraph, and there will be no options about the language that you want to translate. Just tap it, and then you just need to find what language that you want to translate the paragraph into. If you want to translate to English, just go tap it like this, and if you want to replace it, just go tap into replace with the translations. And now your whole paragraph will be changed from Indonesian to English. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.